The top prosecutors in all 50 states are on the same page for at least one topic: fighting against AI technology. It's used to exploit children through things like child pornography. Yes, it's an uncomfortable topic to talk about, but AI technology has gotten to the point where child predators can generate child porn that appears very real. The gravity of the situation is at the point where the attorneys general in every state agree, well, Congress needs to take action. Joe Paris spoke with Idaho's AG about the message to Congress and the effort his office is working to now introduce Idaho legislation to take on the problem.
Attorneys general from all 50 states and U.S. territories sent this letter to the leaders of the United States Congress. Their message: action is needed to protect children being victimized by AI technology.
There's a huge problem with AI when it comes to children. There's a lot of fake pictures that are being made of children, vulnerable people, whether they're real or fake pictures.
Idaho Attorney General Raul Labrador follows the topic closely. His office goes to great lengths to fight the exploitation of children. Evolving technology takes that to a new level.
Yesterday, my criminal division chief was showing me how you can just go to AI and say, I want to see a picture of a blonde girl at the beach with a red dress. And within 2 seconds, it creates an image. And so if you use your imagination, imagine what you can do. You can tell the AI to pretty much create anything, and it's horrendous, some of the things that we're seeing out there.
Labrador echoes what his AG colleagues have found. Real children are being harmed.
It's not just fake pictures that are a problem, but what they're taking actually the faces of actual children and imposing them on bodies of prior children who had been abused. So you actually have children who are victimized twice.
In their letter to Congress, the country's top legal leaders say that they know Congress is looking at AI, but they explain, quote, much of the focus has been on national security and education concerns, and while those interests are worthy of consideration, the safety of children should not fall through the cracks when evaluating the risks of AI.
We need to do something about it. In fact, our office is looking at introducing some legislation this year at the in Idaho. So at the state level, to combat some of the things that we need to do in the state of Idaho.
Labrador tells me his office is still working on the specifics of legislation on the topic, but they know what they want to accomplish with it.
There's already laws against child pornography, but we want to make sure that you're including these AI-generated photos in, that there's not a defense that these are fake in some way, that they're not real, that it wasn't a real child that was being abused. The way AI works is that they're using all the pictures that are out there, and that's how they create these pictures. So it's just that it's a form of exploitation of children, and we want to make sure that we prevent it. So we want to make sure that the legislature includes AI-generated pictures in our child pornography laws.
Labrador hopes that new laws at the national level will be crafted quickly. While they wait, real work continues in Idaho to protect children from exploitation, something Labrador's office chases down on a regular basis. And all 50 states coming together on this issue speaks volumes.
It tells you how abhorrent it is, how concerned we are, and how important it is for Congress to actually do something about it.
And it is a tough topic for the AG's office to tackle. And Labrador and I spoke today about the incredible work that ICAC, the Idaho Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force, the great work they do here in Idaho. And they're the team that takes on cases of child exploitation and child pornography. And Brian, it is a scary reality we live in. I know that there's a lot of excitement about AI and ChatGPT, but if you have a tool like that, it will be used for criminal activity like creating child pornography.
Okay, I know when it comes to the internet, everything's accessible. There's the dark web and all that kind of stuff. But what could be done at the state level on something that is like international like this?
I think the message here from the state level, and really what's being asked of Congress, is we need to put this into law, we need to put this into code, that there's no loophole here. You can't create child pornography that doesn't involve real children. It's just fake images. No, they're generated based on real images of children. So I think getting it into law is really just reflecting the sign of the times.
Okay, thank you very much.